Hi, I'm Jasmine Kwasa, a PhD student at Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh, where the original owners of the land are the Osage Nation. I work in the lab in multisensory neuroscience with Dr. Barb Shin Cunningham. Spatial selective attention is our ability to parse out and maintain attention on a single sound source based on a spatial location. Unlike in a Zoom room, spatial cues in a classroom or cocktail party help us to easily distinguish sound sources and allows our cognitive control networks to enhance the representation of our object of interest. Individuals greatly differ in their ability to perform such tasks due to differences in top-down cognitive control. In this experiment, we asked if evoked EEG responses would reflect behavioral performance in a spatial selective attention task. Our auditory task comprised 3 streams of simultaneous melodies depicted here in red, gray, and blue, which were spatially separated to the left, middle, or right using 100 microsecond ITDs. Subjects were cued to attend to the left stream or the right stream, or to ignore all the streams, and at the end of the trial, identify if the melody contour of that stream was rising, zigzagging, or falling, and that was randomized. This is just an example. We staggered all sounds so that we could calculate event-related potential, or ERP, N1s evoked from the onset, as you can see here. Our main question was, do ERP amplitudes reflect the spread of performance during spatial selective attention at the individual level? At the group level, attention does modulate ERP N1s. Each trace here was recorded from the same EEG channel during 3 different attention states. You can see that the N1s evoked by the left stream, shown as the red vertical bars, are larger during the attend left condition, which is the red trace. And for the right presented onsets, seen as the blue vertical lines, the attend right or blue trace was enhanced. Boom. But at the individual level, does this attention modulation predict performance on the task? In a small pilot study with young adults, we saw no such association as measured by the difference in the N1 between attended and ignored trials. I'll call this the extent of attention modulation, and on the y-axis, you can see the performance. However, when we recorded a new larger cohort of high-functioning active military service people, we were able to detect correlations between the extent of attention modulation and performance. Excellent. Note that this is a separate group than the first cohort, and that 17 of them actually had blast exposure as indicated by the filled-in circles. Perhaps the latter cohort represented a larger spread in top-down cognitive control abilities. But wait, there's more. We had a visual task that was analogously set up to the auditory task. How did the subjects fare on it? Did ERPs evoked by that task also correlate to performance? Come to my poster number 159 to find out. Thanks.